Honorable endings lead to honorable new beginnings. It's important to have honorable endings, and there are many opportunities that people enjoy using my Honoring Tributes program for, whether they want to send a personal video to someone or whether they want to get together with family and friends. One of the ways that this is very popular is when good neighbors that you absolutely love or family members move away. It happens all the time. And to be able to thank them on their way out, it's a beautiful thing. I've seen children honoring their friends and the parents, everybody. Appreciation, encouragement, and support is easy to find. And it's easy to find with all of my beautiful keywords and my simple process. Honoring people when they're moving away really matters. And when people are going off to college, it matters. When people are going off to military service. Another way my program is used a lot is when people divorce. It's difficult to not feel like you have to choose one or the other camp. My more that person's friend or that person's friend. No, people get together and they honor both of the people who are choosing a different path in life. And it's such a beautiful thing to see. The people who are moving on feel incredibly supported by their family and friends. And everyone knows that we're all in this together. We don't need to choose sides. And again, people can do wonderful individual videos to honor the person that you are divorcing or moving away from, just to let them know what they mean to you in your life and what you wish for them in their future. It absolutely matters. And some of the most heartwarming processes I have facilitated have been families moving away and the families who love them and will absolutely miss them. One of the awards I'm going to share real briefly that's very popular for that is the Loving Kindness Award. And again, my school programs offer not only lots of different honoring tributes and different honoring programs, they also have all of my wonderful honoring awards, which have been going around the world since 2002. And this is no exception. It's got a beautiful border. Oop, very pretty. Loving Kindness Award. Wonderful. Loving Kindness Award. We hereby honor your loving kindness. It is your nature to love, to be grateful, and thankfully to be kind. All this goodness blends so beautifully with your very sharp mind. Your love flows freely out to others from your vibrant soul. A spiritual loving kindness is your true nature's goal. Your love supports, nurtures, listens, and understands. As universal love naturally flows and expands. Being a channel of love's grace is obviously self-fulfilling, and the glory of your presence is so very revealing. You are a clear voice for equality, coming from inner quality. Your loving kindness opens your heart and shows you to be exceptionally smart. People love the Loving Kindness Award. It's a wonderful memento to take with them because these are small 5x7 and they don't have names on them. People frame them, people share them, give them away. It's great. Anyway, I would like you to consider my Honoring Tributes program and the importance of, how honoring people's endings, honoring your endings, and how that leads to honorable new beginnings. It absolutely does. And when is the best time to honor someone? Right now. And honoring makes everyone look and feel great, including you and especially you. Thank you so much.